Hello my alien students, welcome back. How are you all? So what I'm planning, I thought of taking this as a homework to some of my students. Okay, so what the course would be, like what I'm planning is, okay, how about we doing this full project in Revit? Okay, it's already done in AutoCAD. Okay, we've done it in AutoCAD, isn't it? How about we doing the whole project in Revit? Okay, if you want this, just give me a comment, tell me in the comment section, John, I like it to do it in Revit. Okay, I'd like you to do it in Revit. Okay, so we're going to be starting from scratch. That is a blank screen. Okay, let's say a blank screen. We're going to do the whole project in Revit, complete project from scratch. Okay, A to Z with the plumbing, mechanical. There's more focus on mechanical ducting. Okay, so if you like me to do this whole project in Revit, tell me a hell yeah. Okay. So I believe in the next class, coming classes, I will be doing this project. I will be showing you how to do the whole project. Okay? If suppose a human gave you this drawing, okay, gave you this drawing and asked you, can you please do it in Revit? You shouldn't be saying no. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to do the whole project in Revit, and I think that's the story. Okay, I think here it's given the elevations, everything. Okay. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I believe in the next class, moving forward, we will be doing the whole project in Revit. Okay, from scratch. I'll be starting from the linking the file, and moving forward, we would be linking the AutoCAD file, and then making the. One second, I think it's becoming too loud. Okay, so we would be linking the AutoCAD file, creating the grids, rooms, blah blah. Architectural floor, because actually my aim is not to show the architectural stuff. My aim is to show you how to do the plumbing stuff, the Hvac stuff, okay, in Revit. So it'll be, it's good. Okay, I have got a comment from one of my students, John, BOD is so and so, beautiful genius answer. Okay, so what is EAFA? Okay, exhaust air, yeah, fresh air, whatever. Okay, so I believe in the next class we will be doing the whole project in Revit from scratch. So I think sit back, enjoy the game. Yeah, enjoy the game, and we see each other in the next class. Okay, we're going to do the whole project in Revit. Whole project means from blank screen. Okay, we'll be starting in the next class, default metric, and then we start moving forward from there, linking the blah 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 blah. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. See you all fresh and energized in the next class. Okay, we're going to have a beautiful, let's say a small beautiful course, how to do the whole project in Revit. Okay, I believe moving forward this would be a homework for my students. Okay, I will be giving this file and do this as a homework, the whole project in Revit. Okay, so see you all fresh and energized in the next class. Yalla, take care, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.